Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing something very useful for modern bathrooms: concealed commode fitting and repairing. Whether you're installing a new concealed toilet or dealing with a faulty one, this video will guide you step by step. A concealed commode system is a wall-mounted toilet where the flush tank, also known as the cistern, is hidden behind the wall. Only the flush button and the commode bowl are visible. This gives your bathroom a clean, modern, and space-saving look. But it's very important to install it properly and to know how to repair it in case of any issue. Let's talk about the parts of a concealed commode system. Concealed flush tank cistern. Flush actuator plate wall-hung toilet bowl frame system for support inlet and outlet pipes fitting process. First, the frame system is fixed inside the bathroom wall according to the desired height and position. The concealed flush tank is then installed and connected with the water inlet and outlet pipes. After plumbing work is complete, the wall is sealed with cement board and tiles. Finally, the toilet bowl is fixed with bolts and the flush actuator plate is attached on the wall. Common problems and repairs. Even though concealed systems are reliable, sometimes problems can occur like water leakage from the flush tank, low flushing pressure, stick flush button, water not filling properly in the tank. To repair these problems, remove the flush plate carefully. Turn off the water supply before starting. Check the fill valve and flush valve inside the cistern. Clean any blockages and replace damaged washers or valves if needed. Adjust the float valve for proper water level if the tank is not filling correctly. Pro tip: always keep extra flush valve washers and fill valves available, as they are commonly needed for repairs. And if you're unsure about the repair, it's better to call a professional plumber to avoid damaging the wall. That's all for today's video on concealed commode fitting and repairing. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more home improvement tips. See you in the next video.